Greetings to you all. I am Keffray from LOT. We are going to make medicines through these ingredients. It is a pepper, turmeric powder, dried ginger, cardamom, and Indian long pepper. Let's see its properties. Black pepper. It helps in weight loss and rich in antioxidants. Relieves symptoms of respiratory issues and help in fight of infection. It treats lung problems like asthma and coughs, treats headaches and toothaches, treats fevers and strokes, improves immunity power. Dried ginger. It helps in the indigestion process and reduces the risk of heart disease. Turmeric. It may help in prevent and treat diabetes and related disease. It relieves artery pains and skin diseases, wounds, respiratory problems, and depression. Cardamom helps in blood pressure, breathing, and weight loss. Let's continue with our grinding. Let's grind these all ingredients to make powder. We have grinded. It is in the powder substance. You see here. You see, and we can parcel it in this bottle. It says Magil Ayurvedic medicine. Let us see how to use our medicine which is prepared by us. Take a tablespoon of our medicine. Mix it with honey. We have mixed our medicine. It looks like this. Let's eat it. It's good in taste. You can also use it. Thanks for watching.